Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing fantastic. I'm Nikhil, I'm Men's Image Consultant. Welcome to another video from Bravo Man. Gentlemen, today's video is really interesting. I'm going to talk to you about two most important things and accessories which every man must have in his closet, which is a duffel bag and a weekender bag. Both are functional bags, but there are differences, and that is the main reason why this video is all about. Before we get in the video, please guys don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon below, and please do follow me on my Facebook page, which is Bravo Man Image Consultant, and my Instagram page is also Bravo Man Image Consultant. So please do follow me. Without any further ado, let's get in the video. When we talk about a duffel bag and a weekender bag, there are three most important factors which you really have to lock in. Number one, it must be a clean and a classic design which is really smart and functional. Number two, both the bags must have a high quality of construction that will last for decades. Number three is the convenience. Both these bags must be convenient for at least a week-long trip. These 3 points are the most important things when you look out for these bags. But both the bags are different from each other, and both the bags serve a complete different purpose from each other. So today I'm going to tell you the 4 major differences of this particular bag, which will help you to differentiate a duffel bag and a weekender bag. Number 1 is the material they are built of. Number 2 is the color of the bags, which we really have to look out for. Number 3, and the most important thing, is the purpose of these bags are meant for. And number 4 is how to style these bags. Number 1, the major difference in both these bags are the material what they are built of. A duffel bag is always, you will only get duffel bags 95% of the time in the synthetic material. And for a duffel bag, always stick to a synthetic material, be it it's any of the brands, but this is the most functional material for a duffel bag. On the other hand, for a weekender bag, the only material which you have to opt for or choose is a leather. Any of your travel bag, a weekender bag, always choose leather, because leather is classy, it is stylish, and this bag is only meant for travel. Okay, when I talk about a weekender, so this particular bag is only for a weekend travel, a week travel bag. Always opt for a leather, a good leather for a weekender bag. Point number 2 is the color of these bags. When I talk about a duffel bag, these bags are built out of synthetic material. And in synthetic material, there are multiple color options. You can choose with the widely available colors. You have the basic colors, which are black, blue, navy, gray, or you also have some funky options, the neon options. So there is a multiple, choices which you can make from the synthetic material. But I would always suggest, and I would always recommend, stick to the darker shades, either a black or a navy, because that will go with all your outfit, and it is the most these colors are dark colors, and you will not get bored with dark colors. And on the other side, in terms of your weekender bag, when I talk about weekender bags, okay, I have just mentioned that always choose leather, and with leather you only have 2 options, which is a black and brown. So always stick to a black and brown. Simple, because it is it is really easy to pair a black and brown with all your other leather accessories like footwear or belt or even your drop kit. Moreover, even with weekender bags, with the leather, you have different patterns of leather. Okay, so I would really suggest, and just stick to a basic leather, okay, without any pattern, and because that will look neat, it will look sexy, and it will really be evergreen for years and years. Point number 3, the major difference in both these bags are the purpose these bags are used for. With your duffel bags, these bags are for your gym bags. Okay, these are only gym bags. You can use these bags for a travel, okay, but these are meant for your gym purpose only, okay, because these are meant for that particular thing. With your weekender bags, these bags are only meant for travel. That's it. These are not meant for gym, period. Okay, do not use these bags for gym at all. These are very classy, these are stylish bags. These are only meant for your weekend travels, your 1 week travel, be it it's any amount of days, a short travel, but these are only meant for a travel bags. So do not use these bags ever at your gym or for any gym purpose. This is the most important and the major difference in between these two bags, which is the purpose these bags are used for. The point number 4, and again the difference, this is not a difference I would say, but it's about how to style these bags. Your duffel bags are meant for your gym purpose. Yes, you can take them out for a travel, but styling these bags has a very limited options. Okay, so that's the reason, like, when I spoke to you about the color of these bags, I told you specifically always opt for a darker shades like black and blue. That is the reason, is because if at all, if you look forward to travel these bags, it is easy to to match it with your other luggage or even with your footwear, as mostly we wear black footwear, so it becomes very easy to at least style these duffel bags. But your weekender bag, leather, boss, I guess there is nothing else which I can even talk to you about, because it is absolutely easy to pair your leathers with your other leather accessories. Okay, with your leather boots, with your leather loafers, you can absolutely pair them with your leather belt, with your leather watch straps. So it is really easy. It becomes seamless to pair and to style your weekender bags. That's the main reason why these bags are way stylish than your duffel bags. Your weekender bags are only meant for a good travel, and even the time when you travel, styling is always the key. Okay, the way you carry yourself, the way you carry your accessories, and the way you match your accessories, and that's the main reason why it is so easy and so amazing to pair an amazingly stylish leather bag. So these are the 4 major differences in between a duffel bag and a weekender bag. Now, my personal favorite amongst a duffel bag and a weekender bag is, I would say that both the bags are functional. I love both the bags because both the bags are meant for a certain purpose. Okay, so for gym, I will never carry this because this is a complete no for a gym. And if I have to travel, I will never carry this because this is meant for travel. So for each and every purpose, these bags are been meant, and these bags have been made for a specific purpose. So I would rather keep it as per the purpose which I will use this particular bags for. So gentlemen, I hope you like this video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs. If you love it, please do share it with your friends and family. And I really wish to see you in my next video. Till then, look great, feel fantastic, and always keep your bags, your gym bags and your travel bags different from each other. Ciao.